Creating collections in Shopify. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to create collections in Shopify. So without further ado, let us begin. So to do that, what you want to do is to just go to products right here and then just click on collections. And then from here, you can create your collection just by clicking on create collection right here. And then after that, you can input the name of your collection right here. So for example, I'll just add like a shirt collection right here and then just add a description for your collection. So for example, I'll just say that these are all the shirts in my store. There you go. And then next is you can also change the collection type. So you can choose manual and where you can add products to this collection one by one, or you can use smart so that existing and future products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. But for me, I'll just leave it at manual. And then from here, now we have products. So in here, just upload or choose the products that you want to add in this collection. So just click on browse right here and then you will see all of your products right here. So choose all of your products that lie under this collection. So I have these shirts products right here and then just click on add. And then there you go. So our shirts product is now under this collection. And then what you can also do is add an image for your collection right here. So just click on this, click on add images again. And then you can choose any image you like for your collection. So just wait for that to upload. And then there you go. So once you're done, just click on done. And then there you go. You now have an image for your collection. And then once you're done customizing your collection, just simply click on save. And then there you go. You have now created your own collection in Shopify. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create collections in Shopify. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.